Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video we are going to review a new foundation. Okay, so this foundation is from Canada and it is their weightless matte finish foundation. So yeah, this is how it is and I have applied it. I am wearing it today and yeah. Okay, so if you want to know, like this is like the first impression of this foundation. Like this is the first time I'm applying this, so it is a first impression and you will know how it is. Okay, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. I did a little bit of underpainting, like I did contouring, and I had so much acne I had to color correct. Like I peach corrected my face and everything. And now let's get to the foundation. Now yeah, so this is how the foundation looks like. It actually looks tiny. Okay, so this one costed 225 rupees and this is 15 ml, and this one from Maybelline, this is 28 ml and this one is for 329 rupees. So definitely this Faces Canada is tiny. This is tiny, and if I'm not wrong, like this was the tinier version. There is another bigger version of this. So if you compare, like you can see this is tiny, but I don't know, like this somehow feels a little bit costlier than this. I can't do the math right now. I don't know. Okay, so this is how it is, and so this is, you know what, do the maths please, huh? Okay, so I'm out. This is in the shade beige 05. Now I found this shade online, as in I went to foundation.com to find my shade according to this Maybelline foundation. Like I color matched this beige with 220. So it also says it has anti-aging properties and contains natural extracts. Natural extracts of what? Okay, anyways, so this is cruelty free. There is no animal testing, right? And which is great. Like I stand brands that don't do animal testing. Okay, ultra blendable and comfortable texture that's right on skin. Okay, the natural and luminous finish. Then how is it matte if it's luminous finish? Doesn't clog pores. Well, we can use that. Okay, I think we have had enough. Let's just give it a good mix and let's just give it a try. And let us see if it matches. I think it matches. Like this goes fine with my neck, I guess. Like this is my tone. Now I'm going to go in with a sponge only because I prefer that sort of natural finish where everything looks like my skin. So we are going that lane today. I must say, I can't keep track of how much I need to use this foundation. Like I took quite some quantity and I have already used it quite a lot. Do I need more? I can't tell. But I really like how it looks. Like wow. Let me take a little bit more and go in with places that I feel I can use a little bit more coverage. For example, this area, there is so much acne. I also feel like every time I use foundation, the color corrector beneath just moves. Like, why do you do this? I have zero complaints. Like this looks really nice. It definitely feels very lightweight, right? I'm not feeling like I have put so much product on my face, which, you know what, these days it's really hot. I think that is a very good thing. Then also it does have that luminosity. Like can you see how naturally glowing and healthy it looks? Like my skin looks really juicy and like it's really healthy. I mean, bar all the acne that is going on my face, my skin definitely does look good. Okay, let me finish my makeup. Okay, and at the end I will give you a final opinion on how I feel about this foundation. Okay guys, so this is how this foundation looks. Now I have done my whole makeup. It has been 2 hours. Okay, and this is how the foundation is holding. Now let me tell you this one thing. This is matte. Okay, उस टाइम पर जितनी luminous लग रही थी, as it settled down, and of course not to mention मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा powder भी लगाया because it is very hot. So there was a lot of powder applied on my face throughout, and I definitely feel like it settles matte and it gives you that matte finish. Like वो luminous शुरू में लगती है, but then it always obviously settles down very matte. So you will see that sort of matteness peeking through. Like ये बहुत comparable है to your, you know, Maybelline Superstay foundation. You know, very matte, very like that, and that is how I feel about this foundation. इट डेफिनेटली इज़ वेटलेस. मुझे नहीं लगा कहीं भी कि ओ यू नो वॉट मेरा फेस इतना ज़्यादा हैवी हो रहा है बिकॉज आई हैव सो मच प्रोडक्ट अप्लाइड. नहीं, मुझे ऐसे नहीं फील हो रहा. इट इज़ फाइन, इट इज़ वर्केबल. आई फील इट इज़ अ गुड फाउंडेशन. आई एम रियली liking how it looks. I like this foundation. Like from my end, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. Like you can definitely try this. I'm going to try this some more times to finally get the hang of it. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll meet you next video guys. Bye bye.